Is busy out there, and the very latest coming in on Florence and our two other storms, Isaac and Helene. We have a couple other areas that could develop into named storms very soon. One is about to move into the Gulf of Mexico. This line of heavy rainfall that has now a 70% chance of developing in the Gulf later this week, and another area of disturbed weather off in the northeastern Atlantic. Let's concentrate on Florence first. This storm, unbelievable on the satellite loop. The shear that was cutting into it yesterday and weakened it a little bit has let up. Well protected, very symmetrical storm once again. There's no dry air anywhere near the center of this, and a well-defined eye that is obviously moving very quickly at this point, 17 miles an hour. The forecast track brings it in likely as a Category 4 hurricane. There's Tuesday 2 p.m. It's just off the coast, but it'll move in during the late afternoon and early evening hours. There's Friday 2 p.m. It slows down a lot in a big way, and that it could be a more significant issue with flooding than the actual incredibly strong winds. This is a slow-moving storm through the Carolinas through Friday, Saturday, and maybe even Sunday. 1 to 2 feet of rain possible, and those amounts, those forecast rainfall amounts, keep getting higher. Here to look at the model tracks, and you can see they're in very good agreement, bringing it in along the Carolina coastline. The Euro model has made a little shift toward the south that we'll have to keep an eye on. It's the best computer model in the world, and it demands that we keep an eye on it. It does have that shift along the coastline toward the south. There's another look at the storm. Two others out there, Isaac, and we also have Helene. Isaac will move into the Caribbean. There's a forecast track staying well to the south. Again, one to monitor, but at this point it doesn't appear to be any impact for our weather as it continues toward the Yucatan eventually about a week from now. And Helene moving up into the North Atlantic.